Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to publish your own Flutter plugin to pub.dev, step by step. If you've ever built a cool widget or feature and thought, maybe I should share this with the community, this video is for you. We'll cover the following points: setting up the plugin, preparing pubspec.yaml file, adding documentation, publishing to pub.dev. Let's get started. First step is create your Flutter plugin. Run this command to create a plugin with name you desire. This creates lib folder in your Dart API, also Android and iOS directories for platform-specific code. Test the plugin locally first in a Flutter app before even thinking about publishing. Second step is update pubspec.yaml file. Open pubspec.yaml file and fill in these fields. Make sure the name is unique. Make sure to check pub.dev first. Add a meaningful description. And other details as required. Third step is write good documentation. Create a README.md, which includes what does the plugin do, how to install it. Example usage code. Optionally add changelog to track version and example to showcase your plugin with example. Remember, good docs equals happy users plus fewer GitHub issues. Fourth step is to test and analyze the package. Run the following command. This will check if everything passes. Fix any errors before moving forward. Fifth step is publishing to pub.dev. Log in with your Google account by following command. Finally, publish your plugin by using the following command. You'll get a prompt, read it carefully, then confirm. Congrats! Your plugin is now live on pub.dev. Sixth and the most important point is to maintain your plugin. Respond to GitHub issues. Push updates with version bump in pubspec.yaml file. Publishing is just the start. Maintaining and improving your plugin is what builds your reputation. And that's it. Now you know how to publish your own Flutter plugin to pub.dev. If you found this helpful, give it a like, comment below with your plugin name. I will check it out. Subscribe for more Flutter and Android dev content. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.